Please subscribe to the channel if you are new, leave a like on the video, and make sure you click the notification bell when you subscribe so that you never miss an upload from us. Let's get straight into the video. So just as a quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, this is just some coins that I think will do well this month. And on top of that, just because I don't mention a coin that you don't like doesn't mean it's not good. It's just these are 5 coins I have picked based on technical analysis and potential fundamental reasons too. And feel free to let me know down in the comments which coins you're buying up in this month. So let's get straight into it. First of all, the market as a whole is kind of all over the place right now. We've seen some coins shoot up, some coins shoot down. It's not the best sight, but again, we're still relatively stable, so nothing to be too worried about just yet. But let's take a look first at the coins I looked at last month. So as you can see, the first coin I picked last month was Chainlink. Now Chainlink was at $12.22 when I picked it. It is now at $22. So that is a very, very large gain. It also went to almost $26, I believe. If not, it hit $26. So it did over a 2x in that 1 month. Now, up next, let's see what the next coin was. Well, the next coin I chose was actually Ethereum, and Ethereum was at $740, and I'm sure you don't need me to tell you this, but Ethereum is now at $1,300. So again, a very, very nice gain there, and it's actually been almost at $1,500, so again, a 2x on the pick pretty much. So now we could take a look at the third coin I picked, which was Reserve Rights. So it was at 2.3 cent when I picked it, and it is now at 3.4 cent, having actually risen up to, I believe, quite a bit higher than that, almost 5 cents. So yeah, very, very good stuff there. Again, almost another 2x there, if not a 2x. Up next we had Syntropy, which is Noya. It used to be called Noya Network. This was at 19 cents and it is now at 21 cents. So that one wasn't a huge winner, unfortunately. However, it did go up to, I believe, quite a high price at some point. Yeah, you can see it went to 28 cents. So it did do 40-50% at one point. I think they had a big partnership with Minecraft actually, or something like that coming up. I didn't look too much into that, but a cool project nonetheless. And then finally, Synthetics Network Token, which is one of my absolute favorite coins, and it was at $7.96, which is an absolute steal looking back. It's now at $17.10, having been as high as I believe $18 or $19. So crazy price action there in the last month. Of course, I'm not saying I'm some kind of guru because the market did move up as a whole, but I do think they were very good picks and they did very well. You would have 2 extra money on pretty much every coin I picked apart from maybe one. So great stuff there, and let's hope we can do it again this month. So let's get into the first coin for February. So February, we're actually going to be boring and we're going to go again with Safe Ethereum, right? Ethereum, I think, still has not hit anywhere near its max potential for this year, especially not for this month. And I think February is going to be absolutely huge. You can check out my video yesterday on why I said February will be a huge month for Ethereum, in my opinion. All the different facts about what's happening. We've got the CME listing coming up, the futures listing coming up on the 8th, I believe. So that will be hopefully very, very good for the price. So crazy stuff there happening for Ethereum. Very, very excited to see what happens. And I believe we could definitely hit that 2K mark in the near future. So that being said, let's get on to some technical analysis. So Ethereum right now is moving along this channel, going up and down. But then what you can see, we've actually consolidated tighter into the middle of this channel, forming almost a new channel. We've rejected off, so I would like to see a break above the 1350 level once again, and then after that I'd like to see a break above the 1440 level, moving on to around the 1560, and once we break that, then we are pretty much free climbing up to 2K and beyond. Now I've also marked out this as a potential buy zone if we do break down. Now this is an order block over here, so this looks like a very strong confluence zone with the trend line as well. So if price does come down into this area around $1,180 or so, then that is a very, very good buy zone in my opinion. Now let's go on to the next coin. So up next we have Cosmos or Atom. So again, a coin that I think is going to do very, very well this month. And if we go over to some technical analysis, you can see that we were in this channel, I mean we still are, but we've actually again consolidated tighter, and hopefully we break out of this channel. To see a proper breakout, we'd need to break out above $8.90 or so, and if we could do that, then we could definitely look towards those highs of $10.30 and beyond. So Cosmos is looking very, very good. And as you can see, there's been some news on Cosmos as well. So they're set to take lead in the blockchain interoperability with February's Stargate release. So they're releasing Stargate in February, and essentially this is an update to Cosmos, and so watch out for Feb the 18th. This could be the day that really increases the price. In fact, it could be more like buy the rumor, sell the news, so you could see price increase in the run up to it as well. So definitely take that into account. So because it is the first of the month, that means our Patreon or our Discord group is now open again to join. So that means you can go to patreon.com/cryptobusy and you'll get access to this website. So you can either buy the VIP Coincalls tier or you can buy the VIP Coincalls Gold tier, which we just added today. You can see all of the benefits that each one has by looking down in the description. All the links will be in the description and in the comments of today's video. And essentially what you're going to get access to for the standard tier is you'll get all of these different essential channels. You'll get the VIP monthly calls every single month. We actually just put out the February ones, and as you can see, January we made it over 100% on like 4 different coins, and then we made 34% on one and 5% on the other. And on top of that, we have weekly calls, which I think we have a 90% win rate so far, and out of around 30 to 35 trades we've only lost 3 or 4. So that has been fantastic as well. We also have daily technical analysis, VIP newsroom where we get all the latest news. We have some chats and some hangouts as well. And if you do buy the gold tier, which is the slightly more expensive tier, that is where you're going to get access to VIP Gold, where essentially you're going to get portfolio insights, which is exactly myself's and Tom's portfolios as well with the other admins. You get the portfolio chat where we can help break down your portfolio with you. The low cap breakdown, we're going to do a frequent report on really good crypto gems and crypto low caps that we think are really good. And my favorite thing, the road to 100x, where we put together a portfolio just for you, right? For all of you guys in that tier to join, and you can copy that portfolio exactly. And that is a coins that we're going to be switching in and out to try and take $10,000 to $1 million, right? So if you guys want to be involved in all of that stuff, remember, patreon.com/cryptobusy. Check out VIP Coincalls or VIP Coincalls Gold today. Now, number 3, remember these coins are not in any particular order, by the way. Zilliqa, a fan favorite on the channel. We love Zilliqa, and we always talk about it because it is one of our favorite coins. I do believe it's going to do very, very well this month, as it does most months. And let's look at the technicals. So Zilliqa is actually broken out of this long-term downtrend, which is really good to see. And it's actually retesting right now, so I fully believe we're going to move right up pretty much straight away. So as you can see, we tested on this order block here, so that would have been a perfect entry right down there at 6.6 cent. But I personally believe we're going to minimum 8 cent very, very soon, which would already be a nice 20% gain or so. But I think we can look towards that 10 cent goal as well. So keep your eyes on Zilliqa, looking very, very good, and having already confirmed a breakout, could potentially move up very, very soon, assuming the market doesn't dump. Penultimately, we have Polkadot. So Polkadot, again, a coin that has done very, very well in the last month. It was one of our coin calls on the VIP coin call group, and it did very well for us. We've got in at around $8.80, and it went up to, I believe, $17, $18 at one point. So now it's actually back down at $15.86, and I believe it is time almost for another pump. As you can see, we're consolidating between these two major key levels. Now, what I would really like to see is Polkadot break, and first of all, hold this level down here, and then break to the upside here. If we can really clear that $19 mark again, then I'll be very confident we can clear that $20 and beyond mark. $20 is going to be tough because it is that psychological level as well, but I do think we can go there, and it definitely deserves to be above there in price. And last but certainly not least, we actually have a coin that we haven't really mentioned on the channel before, and it's a new one I've actually recently invested in myself, and I really, really like it. And it's a really low market cap, $13 million market cap, and it's at $3,410. You might think, well, that's really expensive. Well, again, you've got to think of the market cap, not the price. And it's because you can see the circulating supply is so low. It's still got good volume. Now, where can you get it? You can get it on Uniswap. That's the only place I would really consider getting it. Maybe Biloxi, but Uniswap for me is where I got mine. And I think it's going to do really, really well. Some big news coming for it soon. And it's really, really cool project. I definitely recommend you look into it. I'm going to be doing a video on it in the future, so definitely stay tuned for that. But YFDI Finance, I think, is going to do really, really well. So stay tuned for all these coins, guys. Let me know in the comments which ones are you going to be investing in, which ones are you not going to be investing in, and also which coins do you think are going to do really, really well this month. If you did enjoy the video, guys, then please leave a like. It really helps us out, and also subscribe to the channel for more. Again,